Good morning students, welcome to our maths class. We have seen direct and inverse variation, isn't it? What is meant by direct variation? If two quantities, yes, are related in such a way, yes, one quantity increases, the other quantity also increases. Okay, then unitary method, the method in which the value of unit quantity, yes, you have to find the value of one quantity. Okay, then you have to multiply with how much they are asked. Okay, what is meant by inverse variation? Yes, if two quantities are related inversely, that is one quantity increases, the other quantity decreases. Then one quantity decreases, the other quantity increases. Okay, we shall see some problems in understanding maths. Exercise 8.2. Okay. First question is find x and y vary inversely. Okay, this is varying inversely, inverse variation. So they are given the x and y values. Some values they didn't give. You have to find. Okay. If it is inversely varying means you have to multiply x and y and equate with other one. Isn't it? Okay. Now we shall do this. 8 into 5 is equal to box, that is x for x they are given box into x into 10. Okay. Now you bring this 10 this side means it will come to the denominator. 5 2s are 10. Again you cancel 8, 4. So x is equal to 4. Okay. Then second one 22. For that the next one they are given box and 1. Okay, first take 20 into 2 is equal to, here also x only they are given box for x column. So take x into 1. So 20 into 2 is 40. So x value is 40. Okay, the next one they are given y as box, 5 box. Okay, so before column is 41. So 40 into 1 is equal to 5 into y. So 40 into 1 divided by 5 is equal to y. Now you cancel 5 and 40. 8 times, this is 1 times. So y is equal to 8. So write here as 8. Okay. And now we shall see the fourth problem. Okay. That is fourth problem is 8 men can complete a job in 18 days. If the job is to be completed in 1/3 of the original time, how many men can do it? 1/3 of original time is 18. In 18 we have to take 1/3 original time. We have to calculate 1/3 from 18. That is the original time. Okay. Number of men 8 men, then days 18 days. In 6 days how many men? How 6 days? In 18 we have to calculate 1/3. That is you can cancel 3 and 18 6. So for 6 days how many men? So men increases, the days will decrease. So here the days decreases, so the men must increase. Okay. Days decreases, men increase. So it is inverse variation. Okay. 8 into 18 by 8 into 18 by x. Otherwise you can write before that you have to step 8 into 18 is equal to x into 6. So bring the 6 down. So you would cancel 3 times. So 8 3s are 24. So 24 men can work for 6 days. Number of men is equal to 24. Then fifth problem. 42 cows can graze a field in 17 days. How long will 51 cows take to graze the same field? Okay. So number of cows and number of days. Okay. Number of cows is 42. The number of days is 17. So for 51 cows, it will take how much days to graze the same field? So the number of cows increases, the days will decrease. So it is inverse variation. So I have to multiply 42 into 17 equal to 51 into x. So bring the 51 to the denominator. So 17 ones are 17, then 17 threes are 51. So again 3 and 42 cancel 1 times and remaining 1, that is 12. So 12 4 times. So x is equal to 14. Number of days is equal to 14 days. Okay, we shall move to the sixth problem. That is, Shruti had enough money to buy 56 articles. When the price of each article was rupees 160, if the shopkeeper gave a 20% discount, how many articles can Shruti buy now? The shopkeeper gave 20% discount. Number of articles, cost in rupees. 56 articles, 160 rupees. So 128 cost rupees for 128 rupees. How much articles? How do you calculate this 128? 1 for 160, 20% is rupees 32. 0, 0, cancel. So 16 2s are 32. 32 rupees discount. So you have to subtract from 160. That is 160 minus 32 is equal to 128. So for 128 rupees, how many articles Shruti will buy? Okay. Cost decreases, articles increases. It is inverse variation. So 56 into 160 equal to x into 128. So 56 into 160, you can cancel this. Okay. How? First you can cancel by 2 table. That is 28. Here 64. Okay. Then again you can cancel this. 1 times, 4 times, 14. Here 3 times, 2 times. Okay. Then again you can cancel. Again you can cancel, but 32 5s are 160. That we know. So 32 1s are 13. 32 5s are 160. So 14 5s are 70. So number of articles is equal to 70. Then seventh problem. 65 men can reap a field in 24 days. If the job is to be done in 20 days, how many more men needed to be hired? Number of men, days. 65, 24. X 20. So days decreases, men increases. So it is inverse variation. So you have to multiply 65 into 24 is equal to x into 20. So bring the 20 this side. So you can cancel now. By 4 table 6 times. Here 5 times. Here 4 table. Again 5 table 1 times. Here 1 5 is 5. Then 1 here comes means 13 5s are 65. So now you multiply 6 3s are 18 8. Remainder 1. 6 1s are 6. 6 plus 1 7. So x is equal to 78. How many? So 78 men can work for 20 days. So now how many more men is working? 78 minus 65 is equal to 13. So answer 13 more men needed to be hired. Okay. 10th problem. In a fort, there are 1300 soldiers and enough food for last for 28 days. After 6 days, 200 soldiers left the fort. For how long will the food last for the remaining soldiers? So number of soldiers, number of days. So for 1322 days, because 6 days after they are left 200, isn't it? So அப்போ 6 நாள் போயிடுச்சு அப்படின்னா அந்த 22 நாளைக்கு தான் இந்த சோல்ஜர்ஸ் 1300 சோல்ஜர்ஸ்க்கு அந்த ஃபுட்டு இருக்கும், isn't it? So 1322 days. Then after 6 days 200 of them left. So 1300 minus 200 is 1100. So days is x. So now here the soldiers decreases, the days increases. So number of soldiers decreases, days increases, inverse variation. So 1300 into 22 equal to 1100 into x. So 0 0 gets cancelled, isn't it? Okay. Now 1 11 is 11, 2 11s are 22. Okay, then 13 into 2s are 26. So the food lasts for 26 days. Okay, have you understood? We shall see the 9th problem. It is some spraying work can be done by 17 machines in 120 days. If the work is to be done in 102 days, how many more machines will be required? Okay. So solution, number of machines, number of days. So 17 machines, 120 days. X machines, 1 or 2 days. Now number of days decreases, the machines will increase. So days decreases, machines increases. So it is inverse variation. Inverse variation. Then how to write? 17 into 120 is equal to x into 102. So you bring this 102 here. So 17 into 120 divided by 102 is equal to x. So 60 2 times, here 51 in 2 table. Okay. So here the 17 ones are 17, 17 threes are, again you can cancel these two, 3 twos are 6. So x is equal to 20. Okay. How many more machines needed? More machines needed is equal to 20 minus 17 is equal to 3. So answer is 3 more machines needed. Okay. 8th problem. A group of 171 men could complete a piece of work in 56 days. However, some men suddenly left the group. The remaining workforce completed the work in 63 days. How many men had left the group? Okay. So, number of men and number of days. Okay. Then 171 men takes 56 days. Then they took 63 days because some men left. So you have to say how many men left. Okay. So days increases, men decreases. So number of days increases. Therefore, number of men, yes, decreases. So it is inverse variation. Okay. Then inverse variation means you have to multiply these two. 171 into 56 is equal to x into 63. So you have to bring down this side, means 171 into 56 divided by 63 is equal to x. Okay, now you cancel these two. 56 and 63 comes in 7 table, isn't it? 8 sevens are 56. Then 9 sevens are 63. Okay. Now 171 into 8 by 9 equal to x, isn't it? Now 9 ones are 9. Here also 1 times. Then remaining is 8. So here 1. Then 81. Okay. 81 is remaining. So 9 nines are 81. So x is equal to 19 into 8. Okay. So 9 8s are 72. Remainder 7. 8 ones are 8. 8 plus 7, 152. So 152 men takes to finish the work in 63 days. Okay. How many left? So men left is equal to 171 minus 152 is equal to how much? 19. Okay. Then answer. Number of men had left is equal to 90. Okay. Have you understood? Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.